Hello everyone. In the last class, we have seen Shariratrayam, right? Gross body, subtle body, and casual body. Today we are going to see Gnanendriyani and Karmendriyani. That means Gnanendriyani means 5 organs of perception and Karmendriyani means 5 organs of action. So we are going to see those verses. So let's start the class. स्तोत्रं त्वक्चक्षुषु रसनाघ्राणमिति panchajnanendriyani. That means there are 5 organs of perception. Those are called panchajnanendriyani. What are those gnanendriyani? What are those 5 organs of perception? Stotram. Stotram means ears. Tvak means skin. Chakshu means eyes. Rasana means tongue. Grana means nose. So, Stotram, Tvak, Chakshu, Rasana, Grana. These are Panchagnanendriyani. These are 5 organs of perception. They are ears, skin, eyes, tongue, nose. These are called Panchagnanendriyani. We'll move to the next verse. Stotrasya digdevata त्वचो वायुः चक्षुषः सूर्यः रसनाया वरुणः घ्राणस्यश्चिनौ इति ज्ञानेन्द्रियदेवताः. There are some deities for these Gnanendriyas. Devatas means Hindus believe in God, right? Each function of our body is controlled by a deity. Deity means God. So each function of just now I have told, right? Ears, skin, eyes, tongue and nose. These organs of perception are controlled by each deity, one deity. They execute all these functions. Who are those deities? We'll see now. The 5 deities of perception are, the Gnanendriya Devata are Stotrasya Digdevata means space of ears. For ears, the Devata, the deity is space. Tvacho Vayuhu. For skin, the deity is air. Chakshushaha Suryaha. For eyes, the deity is sun. Rasanaya Varunaha. For tongue, water is the deity. Granasya Ashwino. For nose, deity is Ashwini Kumaras. Iti Gnanendriya Devataha. These are presiding deities of the Gnanendriyas, 5 organs of perception. So, who are the Devatas for the organs of perception? For ears, deity is space. For skin, air. For eyes, sun. For tongue, water. For nose, Ashwini Kumaras. These are 5 deities of perception. That means Panchagnanendriya Devataha. So we'll move to the next verse. For these Gnanendriyas, there are 5 deities, right? At the same way, we have 5 functions of perception. We'll see now. Stotrasya Vishayaha Shabdagrahanam, Tvacho Vishayaha Sparshagrahanam, Chakshusho Vishayo Rupagrahanam, Rasanaya Vishayo Rasagrahanam, Granasya Vishayo Grantagrahanamiti. That means there are 5 functions of perception. Those are called Gnanendriya Vishayaha. What are those functions of perception? One is awareness of sound of ears. Awareness of, for ears, what we can do with ears, we will listen sound, right? So the awareness of sound of ears, and with skin, what we'll do with skin, will touch, will feel touch, right? And at the same time with eyes what we'll do, we'll see the form, we will see the form of anything, any object or any person or anything. And with the tongue, what we will do, we will taste, something, right? Anything. And with the nose, what we will do, we will smell it. So these are the functions of perception. One is awareness of sound of ears and touch of skin, form of ears, taste of tongue, smell of nose. So all these are the functions of perception. So this is about Gnanendriyas. Now we are moving into Karmendriyas. Karmendriyas means organs of action. They are called as Karmendriyani. Pancha Karmendriyani means 5 organs of action. What are those? Vak, Pani, Pada, Payu, Pastani iti Pancha Karmendriyani. The 5 Pancha Karmendriyani, 5 organs of action are Vak, Pani, Pada, Payo, Upastani. Vak means speech. Pani means hands. Pada means legs. Payo means anus. Upastani means genitals. So 5 organs of action, Pancha Karmendriyani, are Vak, Pani, Pada, Payo, Upastani. They speech, hands, legs, anus and genitals. We'll move to the next verse. Vacho devata vannihi hastayorindraha padayo vishnuhu payor mrityuhu upastasya prajapatihi iti karmendriya devataha. We have seen 5 deities of Gnanendriyas, right? At the same way, here also, for the 5 organs of action also, we have deities, 5 deities, who controls each karmendriya, each organs of action. Who are those deities? We'll see now. For speech, the deity is Agni. Agni means fire, god of fire. And for hands, the devata is Indra. For legs, deity is Vishnu. For anus, deity is Yama. For genitals, deity is Prajapati. So, who are the deities of organs of action? Agni, Indra, Vishnu, Yama and Prajapati, or deities of speech, hands, legs, anus and genitals. These devatas controls these body functions, these organs of action. The organs of perception and organs of action, this Panchakarmendriyas and Panchagnanendriyas performs the main functions of interacting the world. Without any of these things, we can't interact with people, we can't do anything, right? Simply body can't do anything. We need to perform some action, right, to interact with the world. So these are the main functions, Panchagnanendriyani and Panchakarmendriyani. And this Devata concept reflects the view that God pervades entire world and only God makes everything to run smoothly in this universe. So that is the main concept of Devata, that is deity. And in Gnanendriyas, we have seen the functions of 5 organs of perception, right? Here also, for the Karmendriyas also, we have some functions of action. What are those functions of action? We'll see now. Vacho Vishaya Bhashanam, Panyo Vishayo Vastugrahanam, Padayor Vishayo Gamanam, Payor Vishayo Malatyagaha, Upastasya Vishaya Ananda iti. That means the functions of action are, and speech, to speak. Speech is there to speak, right? And hands are there to hold things, and legs are there to move, and anus, the elimination of waste. What is anus? Anus means the body, during digestion, a body expels waste products through anus. That is the science concept. The body expels waste products from digestion through anus. And gentiles pleasure. Gentiles means these are the organs of intense feelings in a human body. So what are the functions of action? Speech, to speak, hands to hold things, legs to move, anus for the elimination of waste, and gentiles for pleasure. These are the functions of action. So, like this, we have a Pancha Gnanendriyani and Pancha Karmendriyani, 5 organs of perception and 5 organs of action. And we have seen the deities and functions of Pancha Karmendriyani and Gnanendriyani. So, this is what for today. In the next class, we'll see some more verses. So, thank you all for joining. Take care. Bye.